Okay, my friends, so we're going to do another unit cost. The previous ones we did were dollars per credit and then dollars per square inch. Actually, we also did dollars per linear inch in there. And this is going to be dollars per ounces. So there's a theme of money going through all these. And you know what? I'm feeling a little bit saucy. Let's do this one in a spreadsheet. I'm going to show you how to start a spreadsheet from scratch. If you don't like this way, you can always do it the way I just showed you in the past few examples. You're going to want to start up a brand new Google Sheet. So go into your Drive and then just go over to New and then just create a new Google Sheet, and it'll be a blank sheet just staring there at you. All right. And we're going to set this thing up for ourselves. So let's go back to the information. Three different, let's change that to different size. Which of three different sizes of bags of candy eggs were the cheapest? The small bag, the medium bag, and the large bag. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, so I don't lose track of things, is I'm going to put size of bag, or name of bag. I guess name of bag. So it looks like we have a small, a medium, and a large. So this is just text. That's all that is text. Not formulas, not numbers, not going to do anything with it except keep me in line. And I'm going to click on this cell right here and center everything because I'm kind of a weirdo that way. I like to center all the stuff in my spreadsheets most of the time. I also like to bold and underline headers for the columns. You don't have to worry about doing that if you don't want to. Now, I did notice that there's a weight of each of those bags. And as I was reading them, I forget what they are now. So let's see. The small is 10 ounces. The medium is 18. So it's 10, 18, and 31. And I'm going to put up here. What just happened? I'm going to put up here in ounces. And it was 10, 18, and 31. And you might notice that that text got cut off right there. You can just double click in between this cell and this column and the next column over, and it'll make room for it. Okay. And now we also need the cost of the bag. And that's going to be in dollars. So we'll put that up here. Although I think we can format the money. Yeah, we'll do that later. Small's $3, medium's $5.99, and the large is $13.99. Okay, so 3, $5.99, and $13.99. Okay, so kind of a cool trick here. You can grab those three and hit this $ thing up there, and that makes it into money. Anyway, you don't have to put the little symbol there. People that are reading it know. Now, we need the unit cost in dollars. I'll just put this symbol. Dollars per ounce. And this is where our formula is going to come in. So we're going to take equals. We're going to divide that 3 by that 10. And it's going to tell us that it's, and this gets an auto. I'm going to do the autofill this time just because I can. So there you go. We now have all three answers. We know that the small bag is 30 cents an ounce. The medium bag is 33 cents an ounce, and the large bag is 45 cents an ounce. So actually, this kind of goes backwards from the Sibelius example. Generally speaking, the more you buy of something, the cheaper it gets per unit cost. And here, it's exactly the opposite, which is exactly why my two amazing students came up to talk to me that day. They actually told me that they were excited that they figured out the smaller bag was the better buy. And like I said, had to come tell me, which made my entire day. All right, try the next few.